Hey guys, what's going on? Carbines here. Gonna do another Gypsy Queen hobby box break. Had pretty good luck with the first break I did. If you want to go back and look at that video, I hit a Brian Wilson cyan press plate, one of one. Hit a stamp card. There's a leather in that box. It's a pretty good box overall. So I figured luck's running a little bit good, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. I think I may hold on to those other two boxes. Like I said earlier, this stuff is starting to spike in price, so just as a little investment potential, I think I may hold on to it. Gypsy Queen is sold out everywhere as far as hobby boxes are concerned, and it's a really tough find out there. Let's get rolling on this. The mini. And I will do a Topps Diamond giveaway code reveal. First, let's hit the mini pack and see what's in here. Decent SP. I'll go ahead and reveal it first since I saw it. It's Frank Robinson. That is the variant. It's number 6. For you guys that collect that, that will be up for sale. And Ellsbury, Johnson, Lewis, Jimenez, Kane. There's Robinson. There's the regular card, number 6, and then the alternate version. So that's pretty cool. This is them side by side. If you can tell, this one's a little bit lighter in color. And great ones: Honest Wagner, Home Run Heroes, Rogers Hornsby, and Buster Posey for the Future Stars mini. So put those away and start on the packs. As always, make sure and check my my links. My link at the bottom of in the description page for the link to my auctions, where I'll be listing a lot of these. It's a bunch of base here. We've got a black back of Saunders, Mike Stanton, Future Stars. Freddie Freeman, Future Stars. Let's go to the base. Dominic Brown, auto. It's the first one I've seen of that. I think he's in group C, so it's a little bit harder to get. So it's a pretty good auto right here. So that's the first hit. And Evan Longoria, black back. Base, Rogers Hornsby, frame paper, number 446. Black back of Coghlan. Tom Seaver, great ones. Robin Yount, number 60. 61, black back. Got a ton of those for some reason. Brian Howard, Home Run Heroes, checklist. Some cards I just seem to get more of the other. I don't know if it's like that for you guys. Do you have a certain card that you always tend to hit? Like mine is Freddie Freeman Auto Redemption out of the stuff. I hit it all the time. There's Babe Ruth frame paper, number 554. Is it 5? Yeah, 554. It's nice. Black back of Ramirez. Walter Johnson, the great ones. There's a SP. See, I've gotten 2 of these already. Josh Beckett SP 344. I won't complain about getting SPs though. And there's a red back of Josh Beckett. I think I need that actually, because it's the SP of the red backs. Finally completed the mini parallel set. It took me forever. I'm doing a video, Ethan. Who is it? Just hang up. I can't talk right now. Duke Snyder, number 59. Get a kick out of that, guys. Thurman Munson, number 21. There's another Josh Beckett. Yay, correlation tops. That's the third one in 2 boxes. And Carlos Santana, black. Here's another black. Carlos. This is the last card. Number 350. And Trevor Hansen, number 306. Tommy Hansen. I got that one in the last box. And I think these boxes came from different locations. So what are the chances of that? Crazy. What's in here? Nothing there. Black back, Romero. Manny Ramirez, Home Run Heroes. Low, black back. Mike Stanton, Future Stars. Reynolds and Bird, redback. Miguel Cabrera, SP. Future Stars, number 1. Dempster, Cueto, black back. Regular back.
Hey, Daddy?
Ethan, I'm doing a video.
No, but it was just a Power Man.
Alright. Brian Matthews. And let's see.
Sorry. Getting my blanket.
Santana, frame paper, 749. Brooks Robinson, redback. Nothing there. Let me get the Topps redemption for diamond giveaway. And I'll reveal the code. It is 767, lowercase g, uppercase C, 72, uppercase H, lowercase h. Good luck, guys. Alright, next pack. Nothing in there. Steven Strasburg, frame paper, 129. Chipper Jones, redback. Brooks Robinson. Still expecting. I've got 3 hits to go. There's a hit in there. PA. Nice relic. Jackie Robinson. That's a really nice relic. It's a good bat piece too. You can tell anybody that knows bats or lumber for bats, if the grain is wide like that, it's better bat. Thin grains are lesser quality, I guess, if you could say, for the wood. So that's a really nice hit. Nice to get the Hall of Famers on the relic, especially on the mini relics. I like that one. Cliff Lee, blackback. And Mike Davis on the Future Stars. Next one, we've got a Gypsy Queen, no signature, just a regular one. Jim Palmer, blackback, base, and Frank Robinson, Home Run Heroes. And these packs are sticking to me like crazy. Another frame paper in here. Josh Hamilton, number 969. Braden, blackback. Raleigh Fingers, great ones. Got 2 hits to go. I'd like to see something good. Brian Roberts, just a black back. Bedard 345 SP. Five packs, I believe. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 packs to go. Another SP. Jason Vargas. Brian Wilson. That's who I got the cyan press plate from earlier. And John Lester, regular back, mini. 3 packs to go. McGee. Frank Robinson. Mark Teixeira. On the home run heroes. So there's going to be a relic or an auto in that last pack. It's a hot pack. Without searching it, I know it's a hot pack. That or I got really shafted on this box because there's so far only 1 auto and 1 relic. If that's the case, Topps is going to hear from me. Yeah, it's a relic. No, it's makes up for it a little bit with that pack because there is a Prince Fielder number 48 of 99 on the cyan, and or not cyan, the sepia card. These are numbered to 99, and then Jason Worth relic and Gordon Beckham Future Stars. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As always, links at the bottom of the page in the description, and I'll see you all around. Later.